In this video, you are going to learn about rest parameter. Rest parameter allows a function to accept any number of arguments. For example, we are passing 5 values here, 5 arguments, and here we have only one parameter, but these 3 dots is representing rest parameter. So what it does, it actually converts these 5 arguments into an array. We are using array method, which is reduce to calculate the sum then divided by the total numbers inside an array. In order to demonstrate this, I'm just using returning numbers, and by using this approach you can see that this is returning an array with the arguments inside. One more thing to notice here, that you cannot pass any additional parameter after the rest parameter. So I cannot type. This is the syntax error that you will see on console. Rest element must be last element. Okay, if you want to pass an additional parameter, you should put on the left side. For example, here I can put the message, and then you can see the message will be this 10, and all the remaining or all the rest parameter arguments will assign to this parameter, which is numbers. So guys, I hope this video helps you to understand the rest parameter, and if you want more videos like this, just do not forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.